Welcome children. This is Trinity Academy Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Namakkal. I am your EVS teacher. Now I am going to teach lesson 4, Plants are Friends. Children, have you seen the plants? Yes, we all see the plants. Some plants are big, some plants are small. The big plants are called trees. The trees are tall and has many branches. A tree has a hard and thick stem. This is called the trunk. For example, mango, banyan, peepal, jamun, coconut and neem are some examples of trees. Many trees can live up to 100 years and even more. The next one is shrub. What are shrubs? A bushy plants are called shrubs. A shrub is much smaller than a tree. It has a thin and hard stem. A shrub has many branches. These branches grow close to the ground. For example, rose, hibiscus, mehendi and the cotton plants are shrubs. Most shrubs live for a few years. The next one is herb. What are herbs? A very small plants are called herb. It has a soft stem. For example, tomato, mint, spinach and rice are herbs. Most herbs live only for a few months. The next one is climber. What are climbers? Climbers are plants with weak stems. They cannot stand straight and need support to grow. For example, pea, bean, money plant and grapevine are some examples of climbers. The next one is creeper. What are creepers? Creepers are weak plants that mostly grow along the ground. They have weak stems and thin branches. They usually bear big fruits. For example, bottle gourd, watermelon, melon and pumpkin are creepers. Children, where do plants grow? Plants grow in different places. The lotus and water lily grow in water. They are called water plants. They have big leaves and float in water. The next one is desert plants. What are desert plants? The plants which live in desert are known as desert plants. For example, cactus, aloe vera, agave plant. It grows in hot places. The desert plants have thorns. We get many things from plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Food also we get from plants. We eat different parts of plants like seeds, roots, stems, leaves, fruits and nuts. Some examples of seeds: rice, wheat, corn, etc. Some examples of roots: carrot, beetroot, turnip, radish, etc. Some examples of stems: sugarcane, ginger, turmeric, potato, etc. Some examples of leaves: cabbage, spinach, etc. Some examples of fruits: apple, mango, etc. Some examples of nuts: walnuts, peanuts, etc. Plants give us fibers. We use fibers to make clothes, socks, ropes and mats. Plants give us wood. Plants give us wood to make pencils, chairs, tables, doors and windows. It also gives us firewood. Some people use it to cook food. Children, where do we get paper, rubber and gum? We get paper from bamboo plant, rubber from rubber tree, gum from kihar tree. Rubber is made from the juice of the rubber tree. Gum is made from the juice of the kihar tree. The next one is plants give us oil. Children, where do we get oil? We get oil from plants, seeds, nuts and fruits. What is the use of oil, children? The oil is used for cooking. Oil is also used to make soaps and shampoos. The next one is plants give us medicines. Plants give us medicines such as quinine and penicillin. Quinine medicine is used to cure malaria disease. Penicillin is used to treat certain infections caused by bacteria. Tulasi leaves are used to cure colds and coughs. Certain parts of plants such as amla, haldi and aloe vera are used as medicines. Plants give us coffee, tea and sugar. We get coffee from coffee plant. We get tea from tea plant. We get sugar from sugarcane plant. Sugar is used to make sweets and ice creams. Plants give us perfumes and colors. We get perfumes from sweet smelling flowers like rose, jasmine, etc. Leaves of henna and many flower petals are used as colors. Children, the next topic is plants and our friends. Plants clean the air and keep it fresh. Trees and plants make our world beautiful. We can collect fallen flowers and leaves to put in flower vases. We should not pluck flowers or leaves. Children, once again I repeat the lesson shortly. Some plants are big, some plants are small. Big and tall plants are called trees. Shrubs are small plants. Very small plants are called herbs. Climbers have weak stems. Creepers grow along the ground. We eat different parts of plants. Plants give us food, fibers, wood, paper, rubber, oil, medicines and perfumes. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class. Thank you.